Choosing a family law attorney isn't straightforward, but with the proper research, you'll find the one who best fits your needs. Keep watching. Unrealistic expectations. Some people make the mistake of setting unrealistic expectations for their situation. You might think your case is similar to someone else's, so it'll pan out the same. This isn't always the case. Your situation will have unique variables that affect the outcome. Fee structure. Some mistakes are picking a lawyer based on the retainer fees or hourly rate. Clients tend to make this mistake because they feel worried about the costs. Focus on your lawyer's services and methods first. To understand your attorney better, you should ask broad questions. Find out how many steps your particular case will need. What are the potential costs? Following advice. Since everyone's situation differs, don't make the mistake of following their advice. People will get caught in a trap and think they're an expert. Exercise discretion and think carefully about who you will tell about the situation. Try to avoid letting others pressure you into making a decision. Your loved ones will want to support you, but draw the line when they go too far. Ultimately, you will live with the consequences of the case. Provocations. Try not to make the mistake of provoking the opposite party. You should send letters each time something occurs during the separation. You don't want to become overly reactive because this approach tends to backfire. You should wait 24 hours before you contact your lawyer. In 24 hours, you can assess the situation and see if it warrants the same reaction. Dedicated lawyers. You can avoid these common mistakes by reaching out to reputable lawyers. Find an experienced lawyer who will help you navigate this new challenge in your life. You can gain exceptional legal advice from a family lawyer who will help you through a challenge. Research. When you pick a legal practitioner, spend time researching your options. Look at the lawyer's websites, find out their educational background, and read reviews. Try to avoid rushing through the steps. You want to make a list of lawyers and then begin narrowing down your list. If you're curious about a particular lawyer, you could always ask to speak to a previous client. With a family law situation, you want to find an attorney to help you with your specific needs. Certain lawyers will do better in this area than others. Talk to family members or friends who worked with that lawyer. Lawyer versus company. Some people will make the mistake of picking a lawyer because they work at a company they're familiar with. With family law cases, you should spend time researching the options. There are specialty areas. Lawyers will work on adoption, domestic violence, divorce, or paternity. Each of these cases will differ significantly from one another. That's why you want to find a lawyer with plenty of experience in your area. Find a solid lawyer who will represent your best interests and can handle your case. Do you need help with a family law case in Maryland? Contact us today. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.